Do you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Believe it or not, some of the most successful YouTubers never show their faces. After spending 4 years building YouTube channels, I've encountered a lot of bad advice about the best niches. Today, I'm going to rank the top YouTube automation niches in a tier list and reveal the most underrated niche set to dominate in 2024. Stick around until the end, and I'll show you how to create content for this niche quickly and affordably. Let's start by debunking some popular niches that gurus often hype up. It's obvious they haven't tried these themselves because they often don't work. Unfortunately, many beginners follow this bad advice, wasting time and money. For example, there's a channel pulling in over 4 million views every month and could be making up to $25,000 per month in ad revenue, according to Social Blade. However, Social Blade assumes an RPM between $0.25 and $4 per $1,000 views, which is a wide range. Earnings depend on factors like whether your channel is monetized and the actual RPM it gets. Typically, the real RPM falls in the middle, so let's estimate this page makes around $10,000 per month. This sounds impressive, but it's misleading. This channel uploads ambient rain sound videos, which seems easy, right? Just find a rain stock video, put it on a loop for 10 hours, and add rain sound effects. Unfortunately, it's not that simple. YouTube recently demonetized many channels for violating the reused content guidelines. These rain videos are part of that group, along with compilation clip channels, music channels, AI voice meditation channels, and more. These examples fall under unoriginal content. Imagine spending months growing these channels only to find out you can't make any money. That would be devastating, and it's happening to a lot of creators. For this reason, these channels go into the D tier. Now, let's discuss a niche perfect for rapid growth. Take this channel, for instance. It racks up 5 million views every month, earning between $1,000 and $26,000 monthly. This channel targets a younger audience with less spending power, so the RPM is lower, but the potential for views is higher, often balancing it out. It's likely making between $10,000 and $15,000 per month. This channel focuses on celebrity news and gossip, using celebrity names to attract their audience. You can even dedicate a channel to one celebrity. For example, a channel about Elon Musk has over 1 million subscribers. A quick growth tip: catch the right trend, like a high-profile celebrity event. During the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial, many channels racked up millions of views by trend hijacking the drama. However, the competition is intense, and if you're not quick, you'll miss the boat. Timing is crucial, so you need an organized team to pump out content fast. Since success is heavily tied to current trends, views and earnings can be unpredictable. I don't recommend this niche for beginners, so I'll put the celebrity niche in the C tier. Next, let's look at a small channel bringing in 3.4 million views every month. Assuming an RPM of around $2, this channel makes about $7,000 per month. This creator makes videos about interesting snooker moments, ensuring to include commentary between clips to qualify for fair use. Snooker is a niche sport, but this type of channel can work for any sport. Popular sports like football will have more views, but also higher competition. If you have in-depth knowledge of niche sports, that could be your competitive advantage. Videos in the sports niche are reasonably priced. You can get a video made for around $60 to $75. However, the quality might not be great. You'll just get clips with a voiceover. If you want higher quality, you'll need a moderate budget. For this reason, I'll put the sports niche in the B tier. There's an exception in the sports niche: poker. I found a small channel with only 5 videos, but the first 2 have hit over 200,000 views. Like other sports, you need in-depth knowledge about poker to make engaging content. Due to the low competition, I'll put the poker niche in the A tier. Next, a high-risk, high-reward niche: documentaries. This channel has only 2 videos, but both have over 3 million views. This isn't your average YouTube niche. It requires skill and the ability to tell compelling stories. You'll create heavily researched documentaries on various topics. These videos are long, sometimes up to 30 minutes, and keeping viewers engaged for that long is tough. You need a high-quality team, costing at least $300 to $500 per video. Although this niche has potential, I don't recommend it for beginners, so I'll put the documentary niche in the B tier. After moving away from the make money online niche, I found a life-changing niche. It's currently making me over $5,000 per month, as you can see from my YouTube analytics, over $140 per day. This niche is super underrated but will take over in 2024. It's not just me. One of my students, Will, was a regular guy struggling with bills and a 9-to-5 job.